Hi, this is Lance over at Alehorn headquarters. I was going to show you a new product that we got in. I'm going to kind of do an unboxing of a knife that I think you'll be interested in. Well, here is our medieval finger knife. I'm going to unbox it here and show you what we've got. I'm kind of looking forward to this. Okay, first off, here's how it comes packaged. Comes with a leather neck sheath and pretty solid sheath, heavy leather. So this is the knife. This is handmade, so everyone will be a little bit different. So I'll just kind of tear it. All right, so there it is. So I guess what's comfortable for me would be something like this. I don't know, trying to see what would be comfortable, but it's just a small little blade. Could be used for a lot of things. Just a handy little thing around camp. Could be, I guess, used to make a little feather stick for fire starting. It has a very flat edge along the top. Very hard ground. Very possible that this could be used for a ferro rod also. I haven't tried that. I don't have one to try, but it's a pretty solid square edge right here. So you could probably use it with a ferro rod to make sparks for making a fire. Nice little knife. Now, one thing that I was curious about and I wanted to show you with this little knife, many of you out there that are in do things in the outdoors, you've heard about survival kits that they make in Altoid boxes. They just take an old Altoid mint box and they put a bunch of survival things in there. Maybe it's matches for fire starting. Maybe it's a fish hook and line, whatever it might be. It's kind of pretty popular to have that in your pack or even in your pocket for your everyday carry. This knife, from what I can see, is going to work in one of those, and that's one thing that's really kind of tough with some of these, is to be able to get a knife that'll fit in your little survival kit. So this little knife would be just perfect for that. So that's another reason that you might want to pick up this medieval finger knife from Alehorn. But just wanted to make sure you saw it. And I think this is going to be a pretty good little item for a lot of people. You want to pick it up, it's at alehorn.com. And I look forward to talking to you again. This is Lance over at Alehorn headquarters. Thanks. Have a great day.